everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this extra crunchy chicken. This chicken, they are so tasty to the last bone, and it is even very crunchy. If you like crunchy chicken, this recipe is for you. Meanwhile, if you're hearing this voice for the first time, my name is Grace and I make recipes you find very interesting. Please just take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. It is free. Thank you. So let's go ahead into the preparation proper. In a bowl, I'll be pouring in 2 cups of milk. You can use any milk at your disposal for this, but I use a full cream milk. I'll be pouring in ginger and garlic powder. This is 1.5 teaspoon, and this is a mixture of chicken seasoning powder and salt, and I use 2 tablespoons. I cut my onion ball into half and I've added it in, and I added in about 1 teaspoon of parsley and 1 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper. I'll be mixing all this together. I'll pour in the chicken into the marinade, and this is different parts of chicken that have been cleaned and cut. I'll make sure that the chicken is well immersed into the marinade. I'll keep this in the refrigerator for 8 hours. The longer you keep it, the better. 8 hours later, I'll be bringing in the other ingredients in preparation for the frying of the chicken proper. Here I already have my 3 eggs and I added a pinch of salt, and I'm going to be mixing this together and I will set it aside. I'll be using this nylon bag to crush the cornflakes, and I use 500 grams of cornflakes for this recipe. I'm going to be pouring these cornflakes inside the nylon bag, and I will use my rolling pin to crush it roughly. Here is where the secret of this ingredient lies. That's the extra crunchiness of the chicken. We have to crush it roughly. We won't need it smoothly. If it's smoothly, it's going to be crunchy, quite alright, but it won't be extra crunchy like this one we are making. So now we are good to go, and we have it roughly crushed. So I'll be pouring this into a plate too, and I'll set this aside. I've brought out the chicken from the refrigerator, so I'm just going to use my hand and mix it all together. You can notice the change in the color of the marinade. So here I have the whisked egg, I have 1 cup of flour, nothing added, and I have my crushed cornflakes. So I'm just going to take the chicken. I'll first of all dip it into the flour. Here the flour is just going to take out all the whole liquid from the chicken so that the egg can stick on it. I'll transfer it into the whisked egg, and I'll make sure that the egg goes around the chicken. This way, the cornflakes is going to stick on the chicken and is not going to scatter when it enters into the hot oil. See, it's well coated, so I'll just transfer it into our basket. I'll repeat the process to exhaust the whole chicken that we have inside the bowl. Here we will transfer this into the hot oil already on fire. I try not to overcrowd the basket so that the chicken can cook evenly. And this is on medium heat. And this is best fried in deep oil so that it can cook all the way through. I will flip it over to the other side so that it can also cook to this golden brown. Once it's properly cooked, I will take this off the fire and transfer into a paper towel for it to drain. You can even see the crispiness of this chicken from the picture. So we all know that crispy chicken is not complete without chips. So inside the same basket, I'll pour in my hot potato and transfer it inside the same oil and fry. Here we have the extra crunchy chicken with the chips by the side, and we have the dip and the ketchup. This goes all well together, and I'm going to show you that this chicken is tasty even to the bone. You're going to see it. And I hope you are feeling this. This is enough reason for you to prepare yours. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.